When a spill interrupts your day, getting it under control as quickly as possible is the first order of business, after personal and scene safety have been addressed.
T-minus 2 minutes.
Blocking storm drains is important because spill response becomes 100 times harder once a spill hits water. Let's take a look at some of the most common ways to cover storm drains. Heavy-duty trash bags are an inexpensive option that take up very little space and can be deployed quickly. Just open the bag over the drain, fill it with water, and tie the bag off. The weight of the water keeps the bag in place and creates a barrier that prevents liquids from entering the drain grate. After the spill has been cleaned up, just puncture the bag and release the water. Dirt or soil is another inexpensive option. Although it's not quite as effective, it's still better than doing nothing. Shovel the dirt around the drain, patting it down with your shovel to create a better seal with the ground and to help solidify your diking walls. Remember that any soil that's been exposed to the spill will need to be shoveled up and handled with your other spill response wastes. If you're primarily trying to capture sheen, husky rugs are a great option. They'll capture the sheen and allow the clean rainwater to filter through. This helps to prevent large puddles around the storm drains that need to be pumped or treated before the water can be discharged. Prefabricated polyurethane or PVC drain covers are yet another option. These covers are heavy and they feel slightly sticky to the touch. To use them, sweep up any dirt, shale, or debris that's around the drain, unroll the cover, remove the plastic sheeting, and lay it over the drain. Now that you know 4 ways to block drains, take a look at our other 2-minute drills for other spill response techniques.